What if every meme remix, story remix, music remix that you created online automatically generated money for you forever?
Stories a purpose-built layer one built from the ground up to optimize to bring IP on chain.
Is Disney's Mickey Mouse an IP? Or the meme, the chill guy meme that went viral is an IP? Or the Drake's AI generated music songs are IP? IP stands for intellectual property. IP is anything that you create. It can be an art, it can be a meme, it can be a song, it can be a movie, it can be this YouTube video, or even an idea that can be owned or licensed is an IP. Your question would be, why to bring IP on chain? What's the need for it? Let's try to answer this by going into the traditional IP problems. Let's say that you want to use Darth Vader's IP and you want to create a lunchbox out of it. This could be the traditional approach if you want to use Darth Vader's IP to create your lunchbox. So the first thing is you have to find a team of lawyers that will represent you. Then you will need to go to the right person at Disney and contact him. Then you will have to go through months long negotiation to come up with a deal. Then you will have to pay them a ton of money and then they will audit you to share revenue with Disney. All of this includes high transaction cost as well as it consumes a lot of your time. Whereas Story Protocol is bringing IP on chain. It allows everyone like me, you, anybody to register their IP on chain and actually being able to earn from it. And if you want to use an IP of a big company like Disney, you can access it on chain as well. So these are the 3-layer components that build up the Story Protocol. The ground level is the story layer 1 blockchain, then there is proof of creativity protocol, then there is PIL aka programmable IP license, and on top of it we have the application ecosystem. Now let's quickly go through them one by one. The ground level is the story layer 1 blockchain itself. It combines both of the tech, Ethereum as well as the Cosmos, and it handles the complex IP data super fast and cheap. Now let's talk about proof of creativity protocol. So to understand this, let's take an example. Let's say that you have this meme and you register it on the story blockchain as an IP asset. So the proof of creativity protocol means that you are proving that this specific content is being registered by you and you are the first creator of this specific content. Also, there is this thing called as an IPA. It consists of two things. It consists of an on-chain NFT, that is the content that you're registering it, as well as it consists of an IP account, which is a token bound contract, which basically means that if someone wants to use this specific content commercially, this specific token bound contract, which is the IP account, will make sure that it will take money whenever the commercially used remix generates revenue. The topmost layer is the application layer. And these are all the dApps that are being built on the story protocol. There is AI, there is consumer, there is DeFi, there is infra. But today we are going to be interacting with this dApp called as Mycelium. So let's quickly go to the collections tab and let's try to remix any of the art. Let's say this art, and let's say I want to remix this Kickboy IP. Let's click on remix. Let's say I want to remix this one and let's click on remix. So this is something that I've came up with, and except for this IP, that is the intellectual property, I've added a background, I've added a text. Now let's quickly try to remix this by publishing it. Let's click on publish. Let's mint this. Confirm. Done. We have just remixed someone else's intellectual property on the story protocol. Thank you so much for staying till the end, and feel free to give it a thumbs up. And if you think that something was incorrect, or if you think something can be added, or if you think something could have been improved, feel free to drop your comments below. And yeah, until then, stay safe, take care, bye.